Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about TikTok video editing. And in today's video, I will show you how to add overlay to your video in TikTok video editing app, whether text, image, or GIF or what have you, as the case may be. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. And the next thing you want to do is to make a video, and then I'm going to record a 15 seconds video, and I'll go ahead and click on record, just like so. After a successful record, you can see the video has been recorded right here. Next thing you want to do is to export the video clip into the editing tab. So go ahead and click on here. Then here we go. You can see the video right here. You can record as long as possible the length of the video as the case may be. Next thing you want to do is to come down below right here and make sure you swipe this way. This will allow you to see overlay. So I'm going to swipe this way, and then we have overlay right here. So go ahead and click on overlay. Once you click on overlay, select a picture or video that you want to add as your overlay. So I'm going to go ahead and use a picture right here. So I'm going to use this particular picture as my overlay. Then I'm going to go ahead and hit on confirm, just like so. The next thing I'm going to do is to adjust the size of the picture right here. And I want the picture to be from the top right here, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and select and drag the picture, just like so. Now, if I play the video, you find out that the picture is going to pump up and disappear, just like so. Then we can control the duration of the overlay and adjust the size of the overlay. Select on the overlay again, drag in, and this will allow you to reduce the size more and more. Everything depends on what exactly you want to achieve. Then you can also choose how you want the image to be positioned or the video. Then I'm going to control the duration right here. So I want this picture to pop up in a few seconds, just like so, as you can see right here. So let's play the video just like so. And one more thing here is that we can also add effect to our overlay. So for that, go ahead and make sure you select overlay. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on effect right here. This will allow you to add effect. Then you have different trending effect right here. So let's go ahead and test on this iPhone 16 Plus effect right here. I don't like that. I'm going to slide in the down right here and add this effect, and let's see. Just like so. I don't like that. So I'm going to go ahead and check on the new effect right here. So let me check on this. So I'm satisfied with that. Go ahead and click on this check mark right here, and let's play the video again. Now you can see the effect as pumping up and disappear, just like so. It's that simple. So we can play the video again, just like so. So once you are satisfied with everything, then you are good to go. And one more thing here is that you can add another overlay. Like for instance, where this one ends right here, I can add another overlay into this part. So for that, go ahead and make sure the video is unselected. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on add overlay right here. And then it's going to open up your interface right here. So this time around, I'm going to add video as the overlay. So I'm going to click on this particular video right here. I will click on load to confirm. Now the video has been imported. I will just resize the video as little as much as possible. So just like so, I'm going to position the video right here. So I'm going to drag the video from the timeline and adjust it. While the image off, then the video will pump up, just like so. And it can be as long as any type of video, just like so. It's that simple, just like so. Once you are done with everything you want to do as far as this particular overlay effect is concerned, so let's play the video again. Now you can see all our overlay right here, just like so. Then we can also add music as the case may be. Once you are done with everything you want to do, then go ahead and click on this icon right here and proceed. And the next thing you want to do is to add whatever caption, nail overlay, and hit post. Go ahead and click on post video. Now the video has been successfully posted, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.